Savoury cupcakes, here we go. These make 24 cup flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 cups of chicken, 4 eggs, a teaspoon each of paprika, pepper and salt. You need 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of grated cheese. And you need 2 large tomatoes, and you need 2 large peppers or 4 small peppers, an onion and some chilli. Here we go. That's all the chicken mixed with the eggs. The eggs have to be beaten. Once you've beaten the eggs, put them aside. Chop up your peppers, chop up your tomatoes, chop up your onions, grate your cheese, flour, baking powder on the ready. Start putting everything into the bowl with the chicken. Keep moving it all in. Then grate your butter directly into the bowl. And then add your flour. After adding 2 spoons of the baking powder, pour it all in, give it a good stir. If it turns out too dry, you'll see this looks a bit too dry, add a bit of water, and then it should look like this. That's your finished product. Now you get that, and you put them into a 180 preheated oven, into your cupcake holders. Bake it there for between 20 to 25 minutes, and when you pull the fork out and it's clean, you know they are ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, boom. That's what they look like when they're ready, and the fragrance you get from your oven is incredible. So we're going to have a look at it now, and we're going to show you the final product. And we cut it open. You can see that's very crispy on top and very succulent on the inside. Now the size of your chicken can be small to medium dices, so people like bits of chicken, people who don't, you work out from there. This is really a something else recipe. Very low carbohydrate and very high in protein. And here you go. This is the moment of truth. Very soft on the inside, very crunchy on the outside. Once you cut it open, you should see a nice cooked chicken with a nice muffin texture. And it's so hot, it's still smoking if you can see it. It's absolutely delicious. Wait for it to cool down and then enjoy. I'll try to put the ingredients in the comments. If not, I have listed them all in the video.